ways you are losing money, and basically ni vitu kidogo kidogo huwa tuna assume, but at the end of the day you end up losing so much hata haujui. So first things first, unused subscriptions. I know we always pay for that gym, we pay for Netflix, we pay for Showmax, we pay for everything else, yeah? But do you really use them? And if you're not really using them, what do? Do you still continue paying? So this can be one way you are actually losing a lot of money on a monthly basis, whereby hii pesa hata ungekuwa unaweka mahali inatengeneza hiyo pesa kidogo tu, you know? Then we have people who keep on withdrawing their money. So they have a bank account, they have M-PESA, they have other accounts. So whenever they need money, even on a daily basis, unashinda ukiwithdraw. Hiyo kuwithdraw M-PESA leo, kesho umewithdraw kwa bank, kesho kutwa to your other accounts that you have. Then the transaction costs, you might not be really looking at it in a way that hizo transactions ni mingi, but hizo transaction charges za wewe kushinda ukiwithdraw tend to cost you so much more. You know, we tend to assume on the small things, unasema hiyo si pesa mingi, but uki-add hiyo pesa on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis, that's quite an amount you can actually save up on. So just budget, know how much you need, so that by the time you're withdrawing, you just withdraw money that will be able to cater for those needs that you have, okay? Then buying cheap items. I know, maybe saa zingine that's what you can afford. It's okay, but then don't you think you can be able to just sacrifice kidogo, budget, save up a bit more and buy something of quality rather than buy something cheap today and then in a few months then you either have to replace it or you have to buy another item, so it ends up costing you so much. So unapata tu uko na recurring cost every other time, and that's how you find yourself hata haupati pesa ya ku save. So please be keen on that, okay? Please do take actions. As much as mnasikia hapa naongea, please do take action. I hope you have learned something today, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.